Baby Casey may hiccups.
Here comes another letter. Which letter is this?
It's Big B.
It's Big B.
Hi, Baby Casey. Aba ko yan now.
Yes, you are a kuya now.
Sonny Donna. It's time to say it 2 ways. Today's word is el arcoíris. In English,
Say hi.
say hi, Baby Casey. Aba ko yan now.
Kuya Tristan.
Aba ko yan now.
Yes, you are. Ano sasabihin mo sa Philippines?
Hi, Philippines.
Tingin dito.
Ah.